Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how you can switch your dishwasher BOSCH SMV to the hot water mode. So in the first step we have to hold the setup button for 3 seconds. If you must connect your dishwasher to the hot water, you have to switch it in the settings. Click on the Speed Perfect button to go to the value A00. That means it's a turn it off. So if you want to connect your dishwasher to the hot water, you have to switch this value by the start button to A01. Now it's activated. In this case, you can connect your dishwasher to the hot water. To save the settings, hold the setup button for 3 seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.